A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if not doing, do it. Do it. Okay, so let's start this session. First of all, I would like to say sorry to everyone for not uh, continuously uploading the videos on my YouTube channel. Basically, दो मेजर रीज़न था जिसके कारण ये कंटिन्यू नहीं हो पाया था. बेसिकली लास्ट वीडियो जो कि फर्स्ट वीडियो था मैंने 2 महीना पहले अपलोड किया था एंड यू हैव गिवन ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्ड इन दैट. So this is my second video, and the two major reasons were the first one is the end semester examination of 5th semester, which I was going through in the last months, December, and after that I had thought to start, but some personal issue is also going, so I could not able to. Currently also I am having internship going, and in college training program is going. So पहले मैंने सोचा कि ये सब ख़त्म हो जाए उसके बाद स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट never mind. I was having 1-2 hour left at this time in the afternoon time, so I thought why not to start. So here I am. So thank you for coming on this video and coming on my channel, and so thank you for giving me this support in the last video, and I hope you will definitely continue in the upcoming videos. So subscribe and like. So अब हम लोग आते हैं, हम लोग आगे क्या करने वाले हैं. बेसिकली मैं आपको क्या प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ. इट्स बेसिकली गिव एंड टेक. इफ़ यू विल गिव लाइक्स एंड सब्सक्राइब, देन व्हाट यू विल गेट लाइक. सो बेसिकली मैं अभी तक कॉलेज लाइफ में जितना हो सका है 60 to 70% टाइम अपने पढ़ाई को दिया हूँ. सो मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ सीखा है कॉलेज लाइफ में, एंड बहुत सारे डोमेन को एक्सप्लोर किया है, एंड करेंटली आई एम इन 3rd year 5th semester. So if you are preparing for any internship, like in any CSE branch or core or non-core, preparing for IT companies internship or job, then you can definitely follow this channel and get much benefits from this. Apart from studies, we can have live sessions with the peoples. If they have achieved any achievements or cracked any interviews, then we can have sessions with them, and like this. So that's it for today. We will meet soon in the upcoming videos. So anything you want new, or in this particular also in studies, like if you want full stack machine learning or DevOps things, DSA things, backend, front end, or anything that of kind, please comment in the comment section and let me know. I will bring the courses for you. There is also a surprise for you within few days, so let's see what is that. So bye bye for today. Please subscribe and coming on this video, and coming on my channel, and